Nasi tine confession, and this is still going on. Hanzi Miss P Terera. Inini ndiri mai guru kumba kwangu. Asi ndiri mai nini elsewhere. Ngati, Zvikanzi Miss P Terera. Today's video is brought to you by Todine Consultancy, a company that offers the following services: company registration, Zimra registration and returns, Zimra tax clearance certificates and returns, NASA registration and returns. And currently, there is an ongoing exercise by the Companies and Other Business Entities Act, which requires all companies that were registered before April 2024 to go through the re-registration process. So Todini Consultants is offering that service as well. And the deadline is 20 April 2026. So if your company was registered before April 2024, please go to Todini Consultancy and they re-register your company so that after 20 April 2026, your company is not deregistered. Atidi kuzonzi ye company yangu yakazovharwa because chichichi. Tadzokera panyaya. Anzi Miss P, inini ndinoshanda out of town, away from where my family stays. So ndiri ikoko kubasa ndakasangana this man kubasa kwangu, but atishandi tese. This man saw me and I was like, I see you, and he was like, I see you too. And then that, you know what, we deserve to be friends. We became friends, Miss P. But ziva panotamba opposite sexes. You know what happens? You can say, eventually, Miss P, mkomana kati, I like you, and I like you too. She can say, Tony Nico. You see what I did? Why not? You understand? Miss P takatangisa kuti say kudanana na baba. Takatangisa kudana. Miss P, I'm a mother of 2 boys, and this started 3 years ago. So what happens is, Miss P, this man anowanzoyenda kuchi kumba kwake once in a blue moon kunoona family but togara test. Miss P, let me tell you something. Hapana chandisingaitiri. Hapana chandisingaitiri na baba. Ndinoitirwa yes. Miss P, inini andina kurerwa zvakadaro. This is not who I am. This is not how I was raised. But I cannot help it. Miss P, do zviripo and zviri kutiona kids. Inini, my husband works abroad. Hanzi baba vanotombobatirwa phone naadzimai, but I don't know how he gets out of the situation or how he explains. Inini hangu handisati ndambobatwa. Miss P, nyangwe ndiri kuperiod so ndinopepa, ndinoitirwa zvese, ndinochengetwa kupfuura mubereki, machengeterwa ndoitwa nemubereki. So Miss P, ndinotodiwa nababa. Chandovafarira stiregi, Miss P, chinoita kuti tirambe tiri inseparable nababa. It's because our studies are very out of the world. Our studies are out of the world. You know what? Studying botology. I was Miss P. And so sometimes ndinovaramba baba. Ndikavaramba baba vanoenda vanomadoro. Miss P, ndofonirwa the whole night. Ndichinyengerero. Usadaro saru. Ndinokuda. Hanzi Miss P, I can't help it. Ndobva ndangoita sei, ndangodzokera hangu kuna Tobias. Tongodana. Miss P, we have our vacations 3 times a year. And it's been 3 months now, and we're still going strong. Miss P, issues so kwatino shanda. We work here at different companies, but in a different town from where our families are. Issues kwatino shanda, Miss P. We've got our little heaven. We've got a little family of 2. Anzi ndichadzoka ne-update in 2030. Saka ini ndangoti 2030 ndeti chipo. I'll be waiting. And I wanted to get it out of my chest. Aiwa nemanyorora vaitaka. No, mai vari kunakirwa. Asaru vari kunakirwa naTobias.